Fish Yacker. I'm back home in Hampton Roads in Virginia. Here for the 2019 Tidewater Kayak Angler Association Charity Tournament with the Susky Shark, Lila. Little breezy today. Hopefully not as bad tomorrow. Looking out here across Hampton Roads towards Norfolk, towards the naval base. We're over on a peninsula right now, meeting up with a bunch of our buddies in a little while for the captain's meeting. So right now it's Friday, September 27, 2019. I think since we started the tournament, I think I've missed it twice. So I'm glad I could make it back down here again this weekend. Again, my home waters. Really excited. Otherwise, a little breezy, but beautiful weather otherwise. But here's what it looks like right now. The wind's coming straight across Hampton Roads from the bay. And it's a little choppy out there. We're going to head over to the captain's meeting in a little while. We'll probably post up some from there, let you know what it looks like. A whole bunch of prizes again, a whole bunch of raffles, and over 150 people in a adult division, a women's division, a youth division. This year, Lila just wanted to try to change it up a little bit, and she's actually entering the adult women's division. See how she does with that. So, hopefully everybody's safe and gets on a lot of fish, and hopefully we bring you some pretty cool footage. Alright guys, more to come. Keep watching. Stay tuned.